Hello everyone, this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing the coding part for our WhatsApp app. And designing part we have already done. And if you haven't watched that video, then please watch it. I'll mention the link in description box also. So please watch that video. And yeah, so now let's discuss our coding part. All right, so you can see we have done with our designing already. Let's come to the code now. First of all, the same thing that we have to do again, that only we have to do on event and then change your ID is this button. Okay, because what I want that I want the system to create a record for the users this image that the image the user will choose and their name and their phone number that I have to take a record. That's why you can drag and drop one create record button. I mean create record block from this data. Okay, this thing your create record, so just drag it and drop it there. And you can change your tables name here. I've changed it to users info. Earlier my table name was just users only, but yeah, now I have changed it to users info. Alright, and next is name. So name what I want I wanted if any user will tap on this button one, then I want the same their name. I'm sorry, this thing, yeah. So I want the name, or you can say the name, their phone number should be displayed on the screen to here. Okay, so that's why I want name and get text. So the text should be get from this text input. And I've just changed its ID to text one. Here you can see it. Alright, now if I just show you any form of text, then here you can see, and the same thing we have done for phone also. So I've just like placed one comma after it, and then I've taken some space, and then I've just written phone, and after that come here and you'll be getting the option of get text. So just drag it and drop it here, and you can change the ID for your mobile number. It is text input too, so make it as text input too. Now again, now we have to do for photo also. So we have to record the photo also. So take this photo. We have to like again do same thing that we have done for the mobile number and name. So just make write photo and then, but now we don't want the get text. What we want? We want get image URL. This thing. All right. So you have to just place it here, get image URL, and change the ID of your this image picker. So I've changed its ID to photo one. It's your choice, whatever ID you wanna change it. Alright, and yeah, next is this function record. Next, what we want is set screen also. So what I want that if any user will tap on this proceed button, then I want them. Then I want a system to firstly create a record, and then I want them to be redirected on screen number 4. This screen. Alright, so then that's why we'll take a block that is set screen here and I'll change its ID to screen number 4. Okay, fine. Next, I've taken one play speech also to play the speech that your profile is now created. It's your choice whether you want it as female or male. Alright, and yeah, next I've came down show tag and I've just written the slash creating the profile. Alright, and yeah, after that, again drag one on event block, and yeah, next we have to do for the button number 3. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so yeah, this is what it's the button number 3 that we have taken for the search bar. Alright, so what I want if any user will like firstly input the mobile number of another user, and yeah, make sure that the another user should be registered on I mean on our app. Alright, so when a user will input the mobile number of another user, then when they tap on the search bar, I mean the search button, then I want the data to read the records. So come on data and drag this read records option. Okay, now in the read records, what was our table's name that we have to see. Alright, so our table name was users, then make it as users or info. So actually it's user info, I haven't changed it, but yeah, you have to change it. Alright, see here I've taken it, make it as users info. Same thing I have to do here. So I'm making it as in users info. It's your choice, like whatever you want to do. Now, the same thing that we have done for that also. That only thing we have to do here. Okay, now phone, get text, and yeah. Now we don't want a name thing. Okay, name and photo because use the user just I mean, users should just input the mobile number. That's why we'll be taking one phone and then get text, and get text should be what? Text input. This thing. Text input one. All right. Sorry. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do? Yeah. This is our text input one. All right. If I just again make it a show text, then yeah, you can see function record. And then what we have taken is for where these all were already there. So just I make it as I as records dot len I plus plus. So yeah, these all are the variables that we have taken. And then you just have to take this thing. What you guys can see. Yeah. My laptop is hanging. Oh god, just give me a minute. What's happening? Fine. Now see. Now what you're gonna do again? Come on, UI controls. And here, what you want? We want set image URL. Okay, so why we want set image URL? So that the image should be set here. Okay, that's why we want that. I'm sorry for the inconvenience caused. Alright. So yeah, set image URL, and what should be set image number 4. Okay, where is that image 4? Give me a minute. Where is my image number 4? Give me a minute. Alright, so image 4 we have taken as this WhatsApp's icon. So yeah, that we want that the user's image that I mean the user's in the another user's image should be set, and it should be set only when their phone number should be matched. That's the thing we want. That's why we want set image URL and image 4 to records I photo. Alright. Next again we have to do after set image URL we want set text so that the user's name should be set here. Alright, so make it as label file. Okay, this is what is this? This is a label file. You can see name of the person that you have searched. It's a label file. And this is a label 6 phone number of that person. So both of these things should be displayed there. Alright, that's why we have taken the set image URL and set text. Alright, now next is what? Yeah, drag this on even block again, and yeah, now what we're gonna just change it to what you can say here, text area 2 on our screen number 4 that we have taken. Text area 2 again we want that read records in the data. And yeah, here you have seen that in our app most of the thing that we want is data tables only. All right. Now yeah, read records thing again. You just have to drag it and drop it here, and yeah, now here again users and phone we want. That is get text input two. So we want phone now. So just make it as get text input two, and yeah, next again that the same thing that we have done here. Okay, that only we have to do here. You can simply copy and paste it. And next is set screen. So what I want if any user will just tap on the screen, then they should be redirect on our screen number 2. Alright, that's the thing we want here. Next is what again drag an on even block. Okay, from here you are controls, you all know that. Now next what we want label file. So a label file what I want if the set text should be set it on the label file. कि जब लाइक कि कोई भी जब लेवल 5 को टैप करे तो जो सेट टेक्स्ट है तो टेक्स्ट वहाँ पे सेट हो जाए लेवल 17 पे. Okay, so that thing we want means कि give me a minute. Yeah, this thing this is the label 7. So what I want if any user will like if any user will just come here. Okay, so the name of the person should be displayed on a screen number 3, this name. So that should be displayed there. That's the thing I'm saying. Okay, so set text is label 7, and from where this text should be set. So get text from this thing, your label 5, with the name of the person that you have searched. That's the thing. And yeah, next what we want, set text again, and set text for this phone number. Label 8 here you can see, and get text. Now from where we have to get the text, we have to get the text from label 6. Alright, now same thing we have to do for this set image URL. This is what I mean. Yeah, this is what it's the your image number 5. So the image should be set here, and the URL of image 3 should be set on the screen number. I mean on the image file of screen number 3. That's the thing I'm saying. And after that, we want a set screen button that is screen number 3. That the screen should be set to screen number 3. Alright, now next we have taken variables, okay? You can simply take it from here. You get that. Alright, so you can simply take it from there. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so you can simply take it from there. You can take all the variables and then you can change the credentials here. And after this, again drag an on event block. Alright, and here. So here, what I want now, let's do the first with the coding for a button send. Alright, so drag an on event block and change the ID as your button send, like whatever button of the send should be is the thing that you have done. Alright, now again drag take one create record, and then what you want get text. That the get text of label 2. Here you can be see. Give me a minute. I'm gonna show you that. Yeah, here. So get text label 2. This thing you can see, this is our label 2. So get text should, so this, I mean the text should be set as the label 2. Okay, yeah. Now send a get text. So yeah, like we have to create again a record here. That's the thing. So sender you can see next we want get text label 12, and receiver also get text label 18. So the IDs that you have taken, guys, that only you have to do. Alright, yeah. Now next yeah, fine. Next we want is text input. So drag it and drop it here. And next what we're gonna do, so change your ID as Y. Okay, and next we want get text. So get text should be text input 3. Alright, so wait a minute. Yeah. So what I was saying, that the text input 3, that the text should get means that कि जो text input 3 का है वो get I mean कि वो जो text है वो का मतलब मैं आपको दिखाया था कि मैसेज यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा था एक ब्लॉक के फॉर्म में, इजंट इट? तो वो कैसे डिस्प्ले हो रहा था कि जो टेक्स्ट इनपुट 3 में आपने मैसेज लिखा वही तो यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो रहा था. दैट्स व्हाई हमने लिया गेट टेक्स्ट इनपुट 3. Alright, now next we have taken a set position. Here you get that set position. So just drag it and drop it here. In position we have taken to set the things. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience caused. Alright, so set position we have taken, and yeah, now you'll be wondering why we have taken set position. So as आप लोगों ने देखा था कि जब वो मैसेज यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो रहा था, सो जो सेंडर का मैसेज था वो इधर डिस्प्ले हो रहा था एंड रिसीवर का इधर हो रहा था, या तो उसका पोजीशन थोड़ा चेंज कर रहा था हमने. लाइक दैट ओनली वी हैव टू डू हियर. So set position Y, and yeah, these all things you can change. And next what I've taken, I've come down math, and here you'll be getting the option of this plus. Place it here and take it as 20 plus Z, like that. And set properties. So with which property we have to set? We have to set that the background color. Okay, sorry for the background voice it's coming. Alright. Now see what we're gonna do, that the set property, the background color. Okay, that background color should be named as green. As we have seen there that the sender's message was coming by the background color of green. Yeah, receiver का ना red type color का आ रहा था. You've seen that. या तो वही चीज़ हमें करना है कि सेट प्रॉपर्टी बैकग्राउंड कलर चाहिए हमें ग्रीन हो जाए, एंड प्रॉपर्टी और उसका जो टेक्स्ट कलर है वो वाइट हो जाए. Now if you want to change it to any other color, that's also you guys can do. Alright, now next again come on the variables. Just drag this and drop it here, and yeah, next come on the math, this thing plus, so make it as x plus 1. Now again just duplicate that block and make it as y plus 1. Next we have taken a set text. Set text is our text input 3. Okay, so yeah, as I've said you that the text should be set here as the text input 3. Alright. Okay, so we were here, I guess. Set text is text input 3. Next, again, we have taken one variable and make it as z. Just rename it as z, and yeah, Now next again we want this math, or else you can simply duplicate this whole block, this y1, and you can paste it and change it to z and z plus 30. Alright, and then we want play sound. Okay, so just drag it and drop it here. Is आप लोगों ने देखा था कि लाइक जब मैसेज जा रहा था तो एक काइंड ऑफ अ साउंड वाज प्लेड, या एक बैकग्राउंड वॉइस टाइप का कुछ आ रहा था. दैट्स फॉर दैट वी हैव टेकन दिस आई मीन प्ले साउंड. Alright, next we have taken a variable again. Come on, variables. So, yeah, after that, drag an on event block. So we have done the code for our button send. Now we have to do code for our button receive. Alright, so now see, it's better if you guys just duplicate this thing. ये जो on event था ना पूरा button send का सारा कोड, इसको आप duplicate कर सकते हो बटन रिसीव के लिए. ऑलराइट, बस थोड़ा सा हमें चेंजेस करना है, वो इफ एल्स ब्लॉक उसके लिए करना है. ओके, जो रीड रिकॉर्ड जो हमने पहले और जो क्रिएट रिकॉर्ड था ना, हमें क्रिएट रिकॉर्ड की जगह रीड रिकॉर्ड का ब्लॉक चाहिए. ओके, और हमें गेट टेक्स्ट करना है. और गेट टेक्स्ट क्या चाहिए, लेबल 18, कि लेबल 18 में जो टेक्स्ट हो वो हम वहाँ से लेके सेट कर इस वो चीज़. एंड जैसे आप जो हमने यहाँ किया था ना, रिसीवर गेट टेक्स्ट, वही थिंग हमें करना है. देखो यार ये वाला थिंग, तो इसको आप डुप्लीकेट कर सकते हो, इधर आप पेस्ट कर सकते हो. ऑलराइट, अब ना हम यहाँ पे कंट्रोल पे यू विल बी गेटिंग द ऑप्शन ऑफ इफ ब्लॉक ऑल्सो. ओके, दिस थिंग इफ, जस्ट प्लेस इट देयर here. Okay, and then what we want, this your I also. Give me a minute. Sorry, call was coming. Okay, so yeah. Now what I was saying that ये जो ब्लॉक दिख रहा है आपको आई और ये वाला फोर वाला, इसको आप बस, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि यू हैव टू टेक दिस फुल ब्लू ब्लॉक, बस ये आई वाला है ना, इसको ही लेना है हमें. तो आप उसे यहाँ पे लेके इधर आप पुट कर सकते हो, और फोर की जगह ना उसे आप लीव कर देना. एंड देन वेरिएबल्स पे जाएंगे हम, तो यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा ये लिस्ट डॉट लेंथ का ब्लॉक, जिससे आप यहाँ प्लेस कर सकते हो और लिस्ट को चेंज करके रिकॉर्ड्स डॉट लेंथ कर सकते हो. ऑलराइट, नाउ यू हैव टू कम ऑन योर यूआई कंट्रोल्स एंड अगेन टेक्स्ट इनपुट चाहिए. मीन्स कि जो भी हमने अब यहाँ किया था ना, ये टेक्स्ट इनपुट वाला आप देख सकते हो. ये टेक्स्ट इनपुट लाइक अगर आप नहीं देख पा रहे हो तो मैं वेब पेन से आपको दिखा दूँ. ओके, ये जो टेक्स्ट इनपुट वाला ब्लॉक है, ये वाला वेट, ओके, ये जो टेक्स्ट इनपुट वाला ब्लॉक है, मैं जो आपको कह रही थी, ये जो है ना, ये पूरा का पूरा ब्लॉक, ये पूरा ब्लॉक को आप कॉपी कर सकते हो सीधे. ऑलराइट, जिसको आप शो टेक्स्ट पे जाके कॉपी कर सकते हैं, देन आप उसे यहाँ पे पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. ऑलराइट, ना अब क्या करना है हमें कि यहाँ पे आप मैथ पे जाओगे, सो विल बी गेटिंग द ऑप्शन हियर. तो अब इसको आई का आपको करना है, इसको इन प्लस प्लस हो जाएगा वो. नेक्स्ट वी वांट अ वेरिएबल्स हियर. सो वेरिएबल में जो हमने पहले किया था ये वाला, इसको आप कॉपी कर सकते हो. ओके, इसको आप सिंपली कॉपी कर लेना, एंड या इसको आप यू कैन पेस्ट इट डायरेक्टली. ऑलराइट, नाउ या अगेन वी हैव टू डू फॉर दी सेट टेक्स्ट, एंड ये भी आप सीधे कॉपी कर ले तो ज़्यादा सही रहेगा. लाइक मैंने बताया था यहाँ पे जो सेट टेक्स्ट यहाँ पे भी हमने लिया था और प्ले साउंड भी लिया था, तो आप इसे कॉपी कर लो तो हमें ज़्यादा फिर वर्क नहीं करना पड़ेगा. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप उसे कॉपी कर लो. ऑलराइट, एंड बस आप प्ले साउंड थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लेना कि साउंड थोड़ा सा अलग लगे. ऑलराइट, लाइक दैट. And yeah, now you'll be wondering, and these image 6 and these all components aren't necessary. I've just taken them for a developer. What I want, if any user will tap on this image 6 component, then I want them to redirect on a screen file. That's about me. Okay, now if they tap on this button number 4, then they should be redirect on screen number 1 again. So yeah, that's why I've done this little bit coding for these for about developer section. It's your choice if you want to do for about developer section or not. But I'll strongly suggest you that you should do about developer section also, so that people can't remix your project. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. And yeah, आई होप कि आपको कोड पार्ट क्लियर हो गया है. एंड अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप डिस्कॉर्ड में आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, एंड या और जो भी लाइक मैं आई हैव टेकन images, exist, background voices, etc. All the things will be get in my Discord server, so make sure you join that. Alright, and yeah, this is all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.